In my last video, I proved that making your own seedling mix is a financial trap. But for potting soil, the numbers tell a completely different story. For soil blocking and containers, you need structure and long-term nutrition. My master recipe uses a base of peat moss, perlite, and leaf compost. What separates this from store-bought is the mineral density. We're adding dolomitic lime for pH and azomite, which has 65 trace minerals that your average bag of Miracle-Gro just doesn't have. Let's look at the data. A premium bag like Back to the Roots costs nearly $30 per cubic foot. By buying our ingredients in bulk, our master mix drops that price significantly. The total cost for 3 cubic feet is $16.92. That's $5.61 per cubic foot. You're getting a professional grade organic mix for 60% less than the cheap big box brands. Now I know what you're thinking. Is a $5 mix actually going to perform? Well, I've been using this exact master recipe for over 6 years now, and the results speak for themselves. Whether I'm starting seeds in soil blocks or potting up starts to get them ready for the garden, this mix provides the drainage and the mineral hit they need to thrive without any transplant shock. I'm currently getting the greenhouse ready for the 2026 season, and I've actually developed some specific seedling tray and greenhouse designs to maximize this workflow. If you want to see the exact setups I use to scale this up, I have digital plans available at Mount Liberty Designs. It's all about creating a repeatable, low-cost system for the homestead. The math is clear. For potting soil, DIY is the only way to go. I've put the full recipe in the description. Hit subscribe and let's get growing.